hop, skip and jump, nursery, numeracy skills book. Open page number 7. Topic is BIG big and SMALL small. Big and small. Big का मतलब होता है बड़ा, small का मतलब होता है छोटा. Let's understand the concept with the help of a small exercise. See the first question. Which is bigger? Bigger का मतलब होता है बड़ा. Which is bigger? Circle it. Here we can see two elephants. Which elephant is bigger? Second elephant is bigger? No. First elephant is bigger. Circle the first elephant. Here we can see two bicycles. Which bicycle is bigger? First bicycle is bigger? No. Second bicycle is bigger. So circle the second bicycle. Next question is which is smaller? Smaller का मतलब होता है छोटा. Which is smaller? Circle it. This is a plant and this is a tree. Which one is smaller here? Tree is smaller? No. Plant is smaller. So circle plant. Here we can see two cakes. Which cake is smaller? First cake is smaller? No. Second cake is smaller. So circle the second cake. So you understood the concept of big and small? Yes? Next topic is tall and short. TALL tall. Tall का मतलब होता है ऊंचा. SHORT short. Short का मतलब होता है छोटा. Now let's see the first question. Which is taller? Taller का मतलब होता है ऊंचा. Which is taller? Circle it. Here we can see two trees. Which tree is taller? Second tree is taller? No. First tree is taller. Coconut tree is taller. So circle the coconut tree. Here we can see giraffe. Which giraffe is taller? First giraffe is taller? No. Second giraffe is taller. So circle the second giraffe. Next question is which is shorter? Shorter का मतलब होता है छोटा. Which is shorter? Circle it. Here we can see two lanterns. Which lantern is shorter here? First lantern is shorter? No. Second lantern is shorter. So circle the second lantern. Look here. Here we can see two ladders. Which ladder is shorter? Second ladder is shorter? No. First ladder is shorter. So circle the first ladder. So you understood the concept of tall and short? Yes? Our next topic is long and short. LONG long. Long का मतलब होता है लंबा. SHORT short. Short का मतलब होता है छोटा. Now see the first question. Which is longer? LONGER longer. Longer का मतलब होता है लंबा. Which is longer? Circle it. Here we can see two crayons. Which crayon is longer? Green crayon is longer? No. Red crayon is longer. So circle the red crayon. Here we can see two ribbons. Which ribbon is longer here? Violet color ribbon is longer? No. Red color ribbon is longer. So circle the red ribbon. Next question is which is shorter? SHORTER shorter. Shorter का मतलब होता है छोटा. Which is shorter? Circle it. Here we can see two keys. Which key is shorter here? Second key is shorter? No. First key is shorter. So circle the first key. Here we can see two ties. Which tie is shorter here? First tie is shorter? No. Second tie is shorter. So circle the second tie. So children, you understood the concept of long and short. Next topic is MORE more. More का मतलब होता है ज़्यादा. And LESS less. Less का मतलब होता है कम, थोड़ा. To understand the concept, we will do a small exercise. Circle the sets that show more objects. More objects को हमें circle करना है. Here on the left side we can see 1, 2 cards. Whereas on the right side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Now tell me children, 2 is more or 5 is more? Yes, 5 is more. So circle the 5 cards. Here on the left side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons. Right side we can see 1, 2 balloons. Now tell me students, 8 is more or 2 is more? Yes, 8 is more. So circle the 8 balloons. Next question is circle the sets that show less objects. Less का मतलब होता है कम, थोड़ा. See the first set. Left side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fishes. Whereas on the right side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fishes. Now tell me students, 5 is less or 9 is less? Yes, 5 is less. So circle the 5 fishes. Let's move on to the next set. Here left side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rabbits. Whereas on the right side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 rabbits. Now tell me students, 7 is less or 4 is less? Yes, 4 is less. So circle the 4 rabbits. So children, you understood the concept of more and less? Yes. Our next topic is INSIDE, inside. Inside का मतलब होता है अंदर. And OUT, out. SIDE, side, outside. Outside का मतलब होता है बाहर. Now see the first question. Circle the picture that shows the pencil inside the box. जिस बॉक्स में पेंसिल अंदर होगा यानी इनसाइड, हमें उसी बॉक्स को सर्कल करना है. See the first picture. In this picture, the pencil is outside the box. Pencil बाहर है, outside. In the second picture, we can see the pencil is inside the box. Pencil box के अंदर है. So circle the second picture. Next question is circle the picture that shows the girl outside the car. हमें उस पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है जिसमें गर्ल कार के बाहर हो। In the second picture, the girl is inside the car. लड़की कार के अंदर है, inside. In the first picture, the girl is outside the car. लड़की कार के बाहर है, outside. So circle the first picture. Next question is, circle the picture that shows the cat inside the basket. जिस पिक्चर में कैट बास्केट के अंदर होगी उसी पिक्चर को हमें सर्कल करना है। In this picture, the cat is outside the basket. कैट बास्केट के बाहर बैठी है। In this picture, the cat is inside the basket. कैट बास्केट के अंदर है, inside. So circle the first picture. Last question is, circle the picture that shows the dog outside the kennel. हमें उस पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है जिसमें डॉग कैनल के बाहर हो, outside. In the first picture, the dog is inside the kennel. Dog कैनल के अंदर है, inside. In the second picture, the dog is outside the kennel. Dog kennel के बाहर बैठा है. So circle the second picture. So children, you understood the concept of inside and outside? Yes? Next topic is up and down. UP up. Up का मतलब होता है ऊपर. DOWN down. Down का मतलब होता है नीचे. See the first question. Circle who is up. In this seesaw, we can see that boy is down, girl is up. So circle girl. In this picture, we can see that girl is down, boy is up. So circle boy. In this picture, the cat is down. In this picture, the cat is up. So circle the first picture. Next question is, circle who is down. In the first picture, the squirrel is up. In this picture, the squirrel is down. So circle the second picture. In the second picture, the monkey is up. In the first picture, the monkey is down. So circle the first picture. So children, you understood the concept of up and down? Yes? Next topic is a few and many. FEW few. Few का मतलब होता है कम, थोड़ा. MANY many. Many का मतलब होता है ज़्यादा. Now let's do a small exercise. Color red the box next to the sets that show a few. If the set shows few objects, then we will color the box with red color. Color green the box next to the sets that show many. If the set shows many objects, we will color the box with green color. In the first set, we can see grapes. Left side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 grapes. Whereas on the right side we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 grapes. Now tell me students, 10 is more or 3 is more? Yes, 10 is more. So color the box with green color. 3 is less, so color the box with red color. Let's move on to the next set. Left side we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas. Whereas on the right side we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. Now tell me students, 7 is more or 3 is more? Yes, 7 is more. So color the box with green color. 3 is less. So color the box with red color. Next question is draw a few apples. We have to draw few apples. Like this, we will draw few apples. One, two, three, four, 5. 5 apples. Next question is draw many apples. Now we have to draw many apples. Like this, we will draw many apples. Total how many apples are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. Left side few apples. Right side many apples. So children, you understood the concept of few and many? Yes? Our last topic is heavy and light. HEAVY heavy. Heavy का मतलब होता है भारी. LIGHT light. Light का मतलब होता है हल्का. See the first question. Which is heavier? Circle it. HEAVIER heavier. Heavier का मतलब होता है भारी. This is a clock. This is a watch. Watch is lighter. Clock is heavier. Watch हल्का है. Clock भारी है. Circle clock. Clock is heavier. In this set we can see 2 fish. Which one is heavier? First fish is heavier. क्या पहला fish भारी है? नहीं. Second fish is heavier. Second fish भारी है, heavier. So circle the second fish. Last question is which is lighter? LIGHTER lighter. Lighter का मतलब होता है हल्का. Circle it. In the first set we can see 2 baskets. Which basket is lighter? कौन सा basket हल्का है? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. Whereas on the right side basket we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Now tell me children, 7 apples are lighter or 4 apples are lighter? Yes, 4 apples are lighter. So circle the second basket. Here we can see 2 boxes. Now tell me children, which box is lighter? Second box is lighter. क्या second box हल्का है? नहीं. See the first box. First box is lighter. पहला box हल्का है. So circle the first box. So children, I hope you understood the concept of heavy and light.